Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Max Stream. We are going to talk about how to install CodeBlocks on your Mac OS system. Let's get started. You want the CodeBlocks to look like this on your Mac OS system. So let's get started. Let's go deep into how to install this on your Mac OS system. First of all, you have to download the CodeBlocks from your browser, either Safari or Chrome. That's if you have it on your PC. For my case, I have it on my PC already, so I just go to my downloads folder, pick it up. Yeah, let's just go to my downloads. Yeah, and search for CodeBlocks. See CodeBlocks, which is here. Again, the next process here is to mount it on your disk. If you mount it, to come to the location here. If just double click on it, you see I've mounted it already, so it is there. So I just double click to open it, launch it. Now the next process here is they're saying what? Drag this icon on this. That's to the application side. So when you drag it like this, you wait for it to load. Just copy the files to your application folder. Yep. You can choose to eject the CodeBlocks disk. Yep. Let's eject it and go to our itself. When you're opening it, they'll demand for your password. That's your administrative password. And sometimes too, they'll ask you to move it to the bin because it's not from an authorized site. It's not from the App Store itself. And this basically works for every unauthorized app which you've downloaded from a server site. That's a secondary site apart from App Store. So let's try opening the CodeBlocks and see what happens. See, they're telling us that CodeBlocks cannot be opened because the developer cannot be verified. Mac OS cannot verify that this app is free from malware. So you just leave it like that. Don't move it to a bin. Next process is to come to your system preferences, launch it, come to your security and privacy. Yeah, you click on it. Let's wait for it to load. You see, when you click on it, just come open anyway and come open. Voila, it has opened successfully. This basically works on other installations. That's like downloading it from a secondary site, not from App Store itself. You can get it to PC, iPCs, games.com, and when you're trying to install it, it basically works in the same process. Some will ask you that it's not from an authorized site. Do you want to go ahead? And you have to come to system preferences, then come to security, privacy, and open it. So I can create this and I can enlarge it by going to this button. I can create a project, console project. In case you encounter such a problem, this is how to solve it. I can come to manage plugins. Let's check the problem here. Code compilation. Our compiler is not enabled, so we need to enable our compiler before we can go ahead. So let's enable our compiler. Okay, let's now go and run. So simply get that from the online version. You need to download a compiler from online. If you don't grant full access to the CodeBlocks itself, to unlock it, let's say you enter your password here. After entering your password, you go and open the CodeBlocks. That's open anyway. You can lock it back. Then go back, launch your CodeBlocks again. Then try creating a new project.